Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So I created this dramatic black skinny wing. This is a super natural trending eye look. I used the Too Faced Born This Way Sunset Striped palette. And this is a super trendy eye look. You could wear this to a wedding as a wedding guest or as a bridesmaid. And we're just going to jump right into the tutorial. So the first shade we go in with is Butter Pecan. It's the orange tone transition shade. I'm going in on an Ardel A11 blending brush. I'm going to blend this into my crease, more thinning up the crease area. And this is a really nice big fluffy blending brush, so I'm taking this all the way just below my brow and into the eyelid fold. I'm a lot tanner now, so these shades are looking fantastic on tanner skin. Then I'm going to take a Sigma E35 blending brush and go in with the shade Nude Beach. I'm going to blend that into my crease, adding really a lot of definition here, keeping it nice and low. These mattes are so blendable. I just love this palette. So impressed. I love it. I totally disagree with the reviews online. I don't know. I just love how buttery smooth all these shades are, and I really think this is a really good palette, especially for summer. Blending, blending. And again, your eye shape might be different than mine, so make sure that you might not have to blend it too high, or you may have to blend it a little higher. Just make sure you're following your eye shape wherever your crease is. Just make sure it's nice and defined. Then I'm just going to take a shader brush. This is a Luna Magic brush, one that looks like this. I'm going to go with the shade High Tide. It's that vanilla. And I'm just going to blend that into the inner half of my eye. Just like tapping it, patting it, and brushing it. Making sure that area is nice and defined. Make sure it's nice and light and highlighted. I'm going to take the shade Sun Chaser on a ColourPop E19, it's a much smaller blending brush. I'm going to blend out my outer V here. I feel like neutral, smoky, brown eye looks are very in for summer, especially if you're going to a wedding or you're in a wedding. I just feel like this kind of look will never fail. So I'm just kind of carving out an outer V here. I'm keeping this actually way on my outer V, like the outermost tip here. And I love this small blending brush by ColourPop. These blending brushes by ColourPop are amazing. You can get them at Ulta or ColourPop's website, and I'll have everything linked below. So you could leave it at that unless you want it like a little smokier. Then same brush, I'm gonna go with the shade Cocoa Glow, and I'm just gonna keep that on the very outs here. Very out, like that. I'm keeping it nice. I'm then just gonna take a really small, this is like an eyeliner brush, shade Cocoa Glow, the dark brown shade, and I'm just gonna rub that along my lash line. Kind of creating like an eyeliner. like that. And an eyeliner brush, this is a ColourPop E6. I'm gonna take some matte Inglot eyeliner. I'm gonna create a wing. Just like that. They're really small. And I totally messed this up. Totally had to do some surgery to fix that one. Go with some Tarte Exposed Highlight. Apply that to my inner corner. On my bottom lash line, I'm gonna take this Sun Chaser medium brown shade. And I'm gonna take a Luna Magic. It's just like a small shader, dense, short brush. And I'm gonna rub this along my bottom lash line. Just warming it up and creating some nice definition. Then I'm going to apply some nude eyeliner. This is LA Girl in the shade Super Bright. Apply some mascara. And I'm going to apply some of these Ardel Demi Wispies. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.